Right now we're on the spinning swing ride. So if you're planning to come to Dresden, don't forget to try these treats when you visit the Christmas markets. It's still steaming hot. It just came out fresh. We came here from Prague just for the day, and our only goal was to see the Dresden Christmas market, which is one of the most famous Christmas markets in Germany. We took a Flixbus from Prague's main bus terminal. The journey takes about 2 hours. As you can see, we've been on the road for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I think you can tell we've entered Germany by the snow along the road. We have about 40 minutes left to go. After 40 minutes, we'll have arrived in Dresden. It's also possible to come here from Prague by train. The train ride takes about 2 to 2.5 hours on average. So whether you choose the bus or the train, it's quite easy to make a day trip. The bus in Dresden drops you off at the main train station. From here, it takes about 7 to 10 minutes to walk to the city center where the Christmas markets are set up. On our way to the crisis market, we saw an Asian market. We thought, let's go in here. So now we've gone there. We're walking around inside though. There's so many nice things. I wish I had come with a big suitcase or something. Just look at how beautiful these plates are. They have everything, even rice cookers. We're heading towards the big Christmas market. From time to time, as you can see behind me, there are these small Christmas markets. Dresden is the capital of the state of Saxony and a city built on the banks of the Elbe River. Because of its location, it's quite close to the Czech border. That's why it's easy to make a day trip from Prague. With its Baroque architecture, it's called the Florence of the Elbe, too. During World War II, the city center was almost completely destroyed, but it was restored so beautifully that today, as you walk around, you can feel both the historical texture and the modern city at the same time. Dresden's most famous market is the Striezelmarkt, set up in Altmarkt Square. Don't get caught up in the rhetoric. This place has been set up since 1434 and is considered Germany's oldest Christmas market. In the square, there's a huge Christmas tree, a giant wooden Christmas pyramid, hundreds of wooden stalls decorated with sparkling lights, and the vanilla-scented aroma of cinnamon wafting from every corner. We have about 5 to 6 hours here. Afterwards, we'll head back to Prague in the evening, and in the morning, we're off to Vienna anyway. We'll be going again for the Vienna Christmas market. So let's see, how is Dresden? What awaits us here? What will we eat? What will we taste? What will we see? It will all be in this video. So, I already have the channel. Don't forget to follow and watch us, friends. Take care of yourself and let's begin our trip to Dresden. It's so crowded here. Still steigt Kummer runter. As you can see, this is the case. Sorge des Lebens verhallt ganz langsam. We found the straddle here, which we couldn't find in the Czech Christmas markets. Look, it's still steaming. It's just freshly made. And we found something that looks much more like the original at this market. Now let's taste it together right away. Just look at how beautiful this is, my God. It's still steaming. It's incredibly delicious. The crispiness on top, the sugar, the cinnamon, the flavor of the dough, and that smoky taste from being baked over a wood fire. Did we eat one this good in the Czech Republic? Actually, yes, but not at the Christmas market. We had eaten it before. But honestly, this is the best one at the Christmas markets, let me tell you that. Right now we're on the Ferris wheel. Isn't it beautiful? But I was a little scared too. It feels like it's going really fast. Now we're on the Ferris wheel. It's €5 per person. But I mean, it's an incredibly beautiful place. It's really huge. This is the biggest and most beautiful Christmas market we have ever seen. Let me tell you this clearly and concisely. Look, it's coming right now. Would you look at the view behind? Yes, now another must-have item at the Christmas market, Stollen. Actually, the original one is like this, with grapes, etc. But here I realized that they make 3 or 4 different kinds. Ours is Stollen. We like this one more. So I said, let's try it with you right now. There, before you buy, they let you taste little pieces. We tried it there, but this one with powdered sugar on top and plain, as you see, seemed better to me. It's called Stollen. It could go really well with hot wine on the side. When you come to the Christmas market, you should try these too, friends. Let me eat a bit more of this. Now, when you come here, there's a must-try sausage. We're going to try it. As you know, Germans love these kinds of sausages, and at Christmas markets, this sausage is one of the essentials. Since we came all the way here, we thought we'd give it a try. I'm tasting it right now. It's really tasty, juicy on the inside. By the way, there are pork ones and beef ones. There are also ones that are a mix of pork and beef. We chose the beef one here, but it's incredibly delicious, by the way. When you come, you should definitely try it too. We're continuing with our Christmas market delicacies without slowing down, friends. Now we're moving on to one of the world's easiest and best melting cheeses. They usually serve raclette by pouring it into bread or over hot potatoes. They heat up the spot where they cut the big cheese wheel. When the cheese starts to bubble and flow, they scrape it off while it's hot and spread it onto bread or over potatoes. They usually add pickles, onions, and sometimes sauce on the side. It's both practical and a warm treat that's perfect for the winter atmosphere. I just wanted it over spiced potatoes like this. Let's try it together with you. As you can see, look, it stretches like this too. Let me tell you, it tastes good. Let's try it with the potato. Wow! The well-roasted edges are even more delicious. Don't forget to try these flavors when you visit the Christmas markets. Another must-have at Christmas markets is mulled wine. There's white, red, and rosé. They make it from those. And at the same time, there are all sorts of different ones. Chocolate, liqueur, rum. This one is the apple-flavored one. Now we're trying it together with you. It's a bit too sweet, but very tasty. Apple and cinnamon. Another flavor you must try when you come here. It was a bit too sweet for me, but it goes down really nicely. And it really warms you up in cold weather. Now the time has come. We're heading towards Pirna now, friends. Honestly, we had a lot of fun and really loved it. Everything was wonderful. So if you're coming to Dresden, make sure not to miss it. Today, when the tour we booked through Get Your Guide was cancelled, we wondered if we should skip it, but then we decided not to change our route or our plans. No matter what, we said, let's still go to Dresden. And we're so glad we came. We absolutely loved it. We were really impressed. That's all for today. Tomorrow morning, we're heading to Vienna early. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like it, leave your thoughts and comments below, and follow me on Instagram and YouTube.